So dried citrus wheels make a really great cocktail garnish, and they're pretty simple to do, although it does take quite a long time. And you can do this with any type of citrus fruit. It'll work with oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, whatever. And basically you want to cut some really thin wheels using a serrated knife, probably. I prefer, my weapon of choice is this is actually a Victorinox tomato knife, and that will give you the right result. Whatever knife you choose, it needs to be extremely sharp, because otherwise you won't get the right effect. Like I said, you're just taking some really nice thin wheels from the fruit, whichever you choose. Like I said, it will work for any type of fruit, so you can literally do oranges, like I said, limes, grapefruits, lemons, whatever, and the technique will work across the board. Next thing we need to do is to arrange those slices of fruit onto a drying rack like this. Give them a nice bit of space in between them, and simply arrange them into rows, just like that, until you're happy with that, and you can go ahead and put them into your oven. You want your oven on as low as possible. Mine is 170 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's the lowest mine will go, and you're going to need to bake that for a good 4 or 5 hours, probably checking them as you go. Okay, now we go ahead and add that into your oven at, like I said, 170 degrees Fahrenheit, the lowest mine will go. And we're just going to leave those in there, keep an eye on them, but that is going to take at least 4 hours, I suspect. So after 4 hours, or just over 4 hours, these look pretty much dried out. And of course you're not cooking them, you are drying them, hence the low temperature and the long length of time. Now when drying citrus wedges, if you want them to keep and not go mouldy afterwards, then you have to make sure that all the moisture has in fact gone. So once you've brought them out of the oven, what you need to do is grab a piece of paper towel and press them onto it. There we go. If there's any moisture, you will see it on the paper towel, but obviously there isn't, which means that these are done and they can be stored in an airtight container and used whenever you like. They will last, if the moisture has gone completely, they will last up to 6 months. If you do notice anything changing in their appearance while they're in the jar, then it's time to discard them and make another batch.